Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Most of the stocks are looking good at current levels. Let's quickly review some of the stocks. I'm on the daily chart of Dubai Investments Company and we can see since long it was trading within this channel or it was stuck within this range. We can see a rally have started from 2.37 area and from here continuously it's going up. Most likely this move will not survive. I think it will come back in the range somewhere around 2.45. That should act as a support, and then maybe we may see this kind of price action. Next target is around 2.60. And then Emaar Properties performed very well today. It opened with a gap up and it have closed at very nice level. We are seeing a strong move to the upside, a strong correction, and now again fresh buying have started. This looks good to me. Tomorrow once it crosses 7.95, I think it will continue its upside momentum. And then DEWA have broken important support area that was around 2.55 to 2.80. For now we can see it retested the previous support area right here, that is around 2.50, and now it's just hanging around near the resistance. This is looking good to me. Also dividends are coming up, so most likely we can expect upside momentum as investors will buy this stock for dividends. And then Union Properties is also stuck within this descending triangle chart pattern. For now it's at a very crucial support area, looking very weak. 0.390 is today's closing. If this support area is broken, it can even retest 0.350. I think Union Properties is waiting for some catalyst so that it can start moving up again. Overall trend is still to the upside, but we are seeing a massive correction that is going sideways. Emaar Development also played out very well. This stock was also recommended in my members video. We saw a huge momentum to the upside after the breakout of this resistance. I had recommended this stock right at this level, that is around 6.64 area. Today's closing is at 7.11. We can see correction is happening as of now. It's just going sideways. If tomorrow if it opens with a gap up or a flat opening, if it survives above 7.10, we can expect another leg up. Next target should be around 7.35 area. Ajman Bank is struggling. We can see it have broken important support area that was around 2.30. And now the same support is acting as a resistance. It's not letting the price go above this area. So we wait for a confirmation. Once we see a solid close above this zone, this is when we will consider buying it. For now, it's in a no trading zone. Aldar Properties is one of the star performers since last week. We can see after the breakout of this resistance, it has made a huge momentum to the upside. Also, this stock was listed in my members video, and for now we can see after a small pause, usually this pause is a correction or profit booking, we see a continuous momentum to the upside. Today it opened with a gap up and now we can see continuous buying pressure. If tomorrow we see the same kind of scenario, that is if it opens with a small gap up, there are good chances it may continue its rally to the upside. Multiply is still going sideways but still bullish. We can see this area is support, that is 3.95 to 4.00. Multiply is still hanging around the same zone. If this support is intact, then obviously sellers will be tired and soon buyers will gain control. My next target is around 4.20. Q Holding is trying hard and we can see it on the chart. This area was support, that is 3.60 to 3.65. It broke the support and now it's trying to break the same zone that is acting as a resistance. Today finally bulls have flexed a bit. Volume is also increasing. Closing is at 3.64 area. And we can see it's been trading within this channel since long, and today we are seeing a breakout of this trend line. Tomorrow if it opens with a gap up, this is bullish, but still do not rush. I would be only bullish once it breaks and closes above 3.70 area. Burjeel, no doubt it's bullish, but for now it's correcting itself. After the breakout and this strong move to the upside, it's going bit sideways and we are today seeing a breakdown of immediate support that was at 3.05. It's still looking bullish. We can see nice buying pressure coming in from the bottom somewhere around 3.98 zone. It's also following this trend line that is acting as a support. Most likely if it hits the trend line again, we will see buying pressure hopefully, and this should also be confirmed as a buying signal. Overall, Burjeel is very positive. And here is the update on pre-side. This stock is just falling down. In fact, it's in a downtrend. For now, we can see it's just going sideways for 4 to 5 days. It's just trying to establish support right near the low. When this stock was listed at 3.00, it made a low of around 2.80. So I was expecting it can even come down to retest this zone. This is the place where most of the buyers are waiting, and from here we can see some buying pressure. Still, so far so good. If this support zone is established, then we will wait for a breakout to take any positions. So for now, it's in a no trading zone. Guys, I repeat here, we do not want to be the first one to buy. Let the big boys enter the trade. When it comes down for a correction or a retest, we wait and we buy. RAC Properties is looking perfect for this week. We can see a strong fall to the downside and then it was just going sideways. Looks like it was establishing a support, and today it tried to break out this range, that is 1.15 area. Volume is increasing. Tomorrow if it opens with a gap up, I think this stock is ready to go higher again. Next target 1.28 area. Fertiglobe today did not perform well. It opened with a gap down. This was the first indication something is wrong. And throughout the day we saw it was under selling pressure. For now we can see it has broken this trend line that was acting as a resistance right here. And after this breakout, this is a good indication that this stock is now coming back for a retest. Tomorrow if it opens with a gap up, bulls will gather and most likely slowly and steadily I'm expecting upside momentum. Resistance at 3.70 area. But just in case if it breaks the low of this candle, that is around 3.45, then this will turn bearish. Then we can expect a retest of about 3.40 area. ADNOC distribution, we are seeing similar kind of reaction. It's just following this trend line that is acting as a resistance. Whenever it's trying to cross, we are seeing selling pressure. Even recently we saw it was trying to cross here at 3.90. I was expecting a nice breakout. Unfortunately we saw some selling pressure and it could not survive these gains. We are seeing similar kind of reaction here, almost a trend line breakout. Today's closing is also positive, but still the trend is not yet confirmed. We can see a strong momentum to the upside. I want it to spend some more time here right near the trend line, and then when we see a breakout, this would be sustainable, and from here we can see slowly and steadily it establishing a uptrend. ADNOC Drilling, slowly and steadily it's moving up, but mind you, it's been supported by this trend line. We are seeing rally have started from 3.80 area and we are seeing continuous upside momentum. Yes, in between we are seeing some selling pressure. I would only consider this bullish once we see a close above 4.05 area. Why is it? Because there are good chances rally have started from here. It may hit the resistance and then it might take a U-turn like this to retest 3.95 area, or it can even come down till about 3.90. That is this trend line which is acting as a support. So if you are planning for fresh entries, wait for a price action right near the resistance and then take the position. TAQA have resisted exactly at the place where we had planned our resistance, right here at 3.65 area. Just in case if you missed my yesterday's video where I had analyzed TAQA in detail, I will provide a iCard right at the top. Do watch it so that you can understand the reason why this area is resistance. Today's closing we can see profit booking have started. Important support area for now is between 3.53 to 3.55 area. So hopefully if price comes down, establishes support, then we will make a plan to buy this one. For now this is in a no trading zone. We do not want to enter at current level. Just in case if correction starts, our position will be in red. Yes, this is a strong support area that is between 3.45 to 3.48 zone. Overall trend is still to the upside. TAQA is still bullish. For more updates like this, subscribe the channel, and if you are interested to join my membership, link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.